Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to use the dry only function on your Whirlpool washing machine. This is the official manual for that same model washing machine. And this is how you use the dry only function. Okay, so it's basically used to simply dry a wet load wash previously in the washer dryer or by hand. So what you need to do first is select a suitable program for the laundry you want to dry. For example, select cotton to dry wet cotton laundry, and then if you want, you can go ahead and press the button dry only to dry without a wash cycle. Okay, and then I want you to go ahead and press drying settings to select the required drying mode. So there's two drying modes that are available: automatic or timer. Now automatic drying has different selectable levels. Okay, so it basically dries the laundry until the set level of dryness is reached. So there's different levels, right? There's the wardrobe laundry, completely dry, ready to be put on away in the wardrobe without any ironing. There's the hanger one. So laundry is basically left slightly damp to minimize creasing, things like that. And garments must be hung to air dry completely. There's the iron one as well, so the garments are left reasonably damp to make ironing easier. Now, there's the timer drying mode. So what you need to do is press the drying settings button repeatedly to set the timer drying mode, and after you cycle through all the automatic drying levels, you can continue pressing the button drying settings until the desired time is displayed. So there'll be values from 210 to 30-minute settings that are settable, okay? And make sure, guys, you always allow a cooling down period after drying before you open the door. But otherwise, it is really that easy and simple. If you found this guide helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to find your solution.